Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add one inch grid in Photoshop. First of all, go to View tab, then Show, select Grid, then set 1 inch. I already set 1 inch. Then go to Edit, Preference, Goods, Grid and Slice. Colors, I use custom colors. You set your colors or any color. Select lines, dash lines. I use lines and in C. Now since many options in C pixels select. Oh sorry, in C set on in every subdivision 483 as it is 34 is 4. Now see this since 2. Okay, I use 4. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.